Nature simply has to exist for me to love it. I see beauty in every element, and as the seasons change, I cherish and embrace that nature won't stay the same all year round. Yet when I think of my own life and myself, I fear the uncertainty of it all. I feel like pushing up against any sort of change. Or alternatively, wanting that change to occur immediately rather than embracing the rhythm like nature does. Now I've started to see myself as folded in nature, a part of her design. I ease up and start seeing myself as another element, which gives me a sense of peace.